There's a bit of a stigma attached to, asking people for help and support, and that's particularly around my role. As soon as psychology is sort of mentioned, then people think it's a sort of a weakness to come and work on your mentality, which is a real shame, really, because it's actually the people who are succeeding do tap into that work, and I think it's a real competitive disadvantage when you don't. And that goes from whether you're playing at the highest level or working and supporting individuals. So talking is really, really important. But again, you might not have that skill set and you might not have that social capability to interact with people. You might feel a little bit uncomfortable talking. So these types of capabilities and skills in people, we need to start developing and understanding what is it that makes you uptight when we're in sort of social occasions, when we're having dinner with players, when we're on camp in hotels. What is it that makes you avoid a sort of situation? We want to talk and we want to understand people as individuals, basically.